Has 2020 been a really hard year for you as a boutique owner? Do you feel like you're coming to the midpoint of the year and you're just like, what's going on? I've lost my momentum and I just don't know what to do right now. I got you. Keep watching this video because I'm gonna give you some ideas about how to get yourself going again when you're feeling down, you're feeling in a rut, and maybe it just feels like things aren't working for you. I've got some tips and tricks in this video that I've shared with so many people and really helped them. So I hope you'll stay tuned and this video will serve you. Hi, I'm Emily Benson. I'm a business consultant and mindset coach for boutique owners. I help you start, grow, and scale your boutique business no matter where you are on the spectrum. If you like what I'm talking about, if you like what I'm saying, please, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel by hitting that red button below and then getting notifications by hitting that little bell. I come out with new videos every single Tuesday, created especially for you, the boutique owner who wants to grow their business, have an awesome life, and have a little bit of fun. In 2011, I started my own boutique business called The Fashion Truck here in Boston, Massachusetts, after having a corporate retail career as a merchant for companies like Club Monaco, Abercrombie & Fitch, and Henry Bendel. When I was in my boutique, I realized that so many people around me that had boutiques, my peers, really didn't know what they were doing. And that's not to be rude, but you know, they were using low margins, they weren't marketing in the right way, their product assortment was a hot mess. And so I actually went out and I wrote a book that started my journey as a consultant and coach for boutique entrepreneurs who wanna go from making $5 a day to $500,000. Believe it or not, the boutique industry is growing and there is a lot of room for you in it. So I hope you'll stay here with me and join me in Boutique Land so I can give you all my tips and tricks. Okay, so you're feeling like you're in a rut. I want to start off by having you shake it out a little bit, all right? Go for a walk, dance it out, go work out, move your body, get some of this energy out, all right? We get so caught in our own cycle of like, ugh, in our heads. And one of the easiest ways, Tony Robbins has taught this forever, to change how we're feeling is to change our state, which means actually physically moving. Maybe you wanna go for a drive, maybe you wanna play some loud music, maybe you just wanna dance around. A lot of what happens as a business owner, as a boutique owner, happens right up here. And if we can serve our head, then we can serve our customers. And it sounds silly, but honestly, what I find with so many boutique owners is that we absolutely forget that we come first. We need to serve ourselves before we can serve others. So first and foremost is get a little shake on. Get some things out of your body, move some of that energy around, and then come back to your boutique room, come back to your store with a new sense of refreshed energy, okay? It might not be like up here, but as long as you can just feel a little bit better, then we can start to look at your inventory. That's my second tip, is start to really look at your inventory. What do you have? What do you absolutely love? And what do you hate? What are you over? It hasn't sold, it's been sitting there forever, you're over it. That stuff, pack it up and put it in a box. Hopefully it's not everything, but there's gotta be some stuff that you still love and you're like, why aren't people buying this? That is where I want you to put your energy. This new refreshed version of yourself. I want you to take that inventory and really love on it. That sounds crazy, right? But send it some love. Tell it, oh my gosh, you're such a beautiful dress. You're such a beautiful shirt. You should be sold. I want you to find an amazing home. And here's where we go next. Now we start to resell. When we're thinking about selling, when our negative energy, when our rut gets in that like whatever's going on, it busts up our sales. We don't sell things when we don't feel good. That's the bottom line. This is what I talk about so much in my retail mindset mantras, because if you feel bad about yourself, if you feel bad about your inventory, your customer knows. It's why I don't film videos when I don't feel good. So it's very late, but I feel good. So I'm filming this video because I know that my energy needs to be good for you to feel good. Same thing for you with your customers. You've got to feel good about what you're selling so that your customers feel that. Are you having trouble selling your merchandise? Do you feel like you're really stuck in a rut? Comment below, let me know. I would love to help you shift your mindset, give you some ideas, give you some new motivation. This is something I'm really, really good at. So please, if you're struggling, if you're in a place where you're just caught in your head, post in the comments here right on YouTube, and I'm gonna jump in and I'm gonna try to help you the best I can, okay? All right, so now that you have this inventory that you're feeling good about, I want you to think about how is the most successful way that you sold in the past. Maybe it's through video, maybe it's through posts, maybe it's just through direct messages with some of your best customers saying, hey, I thought of you. This might do really well on your body type, or I saw that you loved that purple dress when I posted something a couple months ago. I've got this other purple dress that I think would look fantastic on you. All of those ways could work. But the most important thing is for you to pick the way that feels the best for you. For me, I love video. That's why I'm here on YouTube. That's why I do a lot of Facebook Lives. I love talking. I have a podcast, but that doesn't work for everyone. I have clients who say, well, Emily, I love Instagram. It's my jam. I love the visual medium of it and it feels good to me. So I say to them, go do Instagram. Learn all about it, get really good at it, do it every day, show up. So what is your medium? How do you like to sell? Now, I know in the times of COVID, a lot of us are saying we love in-person selling. I get that, I hear you. We've been kind of blocked, but you are the type of person who I wanna just offer this up. Video might be great for you as well. As much as it feels, oh my gosh, I'm putting myself out there, it doesn't mean that you have to do a live video, but maybe you do some recorded videos and you start to really connect with people and say, listen, I know this shirt would look so good on so many of you, and here, I'm gonna talk about it. I'm gonna show how to style it. Some of that one-on-one that you've been doing with people in person can totally translate to video, and it doesn't have to be live. It can be recorded on your phone, posted on social media, or sent as an email out to your clients. That could work too, but I want you to figure out what works best for you. Take a minute, think about it. What pops in your head? Oh, I love that. Do that. Finally, I really want you to tap into your intuition to pivot your business. As a small business owner, as a boutique owner, you are going to be asked to pivot your business more than just right now. You might be asked to pivot it every day by the universe, every year by the universe, every month. We don't really know as small business owners what's gonna get thrown at us. So this is why it's so important to really work on your mindset and understand that your intuition plays a huge part in your success. If your gut is telling you, I should do this, try it. If it keeps popping in your head, I should think about this, I should do this, I should do that, do it. Just try it. This is where, as a business owner, stop listening to everyone else, stop comparing yourself to everyone else, and really tap in to your own self, your own gut, your own intuition, because it will guide you to the path that best works for you. And if no one's ever told you this, here I am telling you it right now, okay? There's no secret sauce to success. There is no one thing that is gonna make you successful overnight and a millionaire tomorrow. But what will always be by your side is your intuition, is your knowledge, is your energy. You have that to give to the world. And in your boutique, that is no different. If you're still feeling like you're in a rut, post below. I have an incredible course too called Retail Mindset Makeover. It is a 4-module program where I teach you how to really tap into your mindset, how to break through your money blocks, get over your confidence issues. It will change your life. It's available on my website. We're gonna post the link here, retailmindsetmakeover.com. It's changed hundreds of boutique owners' lives. And as much as you think, Emily, I don't need mindset, I don't need this woo-woo stuff, we all do. And after people have done mindset work with me, that is what they talk about the most. I swear to you that there are very few of my successful clients who are sitting here saying, Emily taught me this amazing social media strategy. Most of them are saying, Emily really changed my mindset. Emily gave me my confidence back. Emily taught me how to look at my money totally differently, and it completely changed the trajectory of my boutique business. So here I am saying, hi, let's talk about your retail mindset and get you set up for success up here and up here so you can be successful out there. Thanks for watching. If you've loved this video, again, hit subscribe, hit that like button. You can always comment to start a conversation with me. And welcome to Boutique Land. I'm happy to be here with you. Here's to making lots of friends and making lots of money.